What is up, guys and gals? I am back, and in today's video we will be doing a quick unboxing and taking a look at the Note 20, the 5G. So let's go ahead, get this guy started. Open on the back, we got two stickers. Gotta rip through those. On the front we have a little stylus with the N20 Note 20 5G. On the side, take a look at the box, we can see a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G there. A little RFID, some more information on the back, everything that it includes in the packing. So let's go ahead, slide this guy off, and take our first look. Inside here we got the little Samsung brochure, little packet. Let's go ahead, open this up, see what all is in here. We got our SIM eject tool. That is it, nothing else in there. We got some reading information, terms and conditions, introduction to the Note 20, couple little quick things you need to know, and then some stuff about setting up and all the different features that are on here. A little quick reference, get that out of the way. So there we have the phone. We'll take a look at this last. Pretty cool, nice looking, that's for sure. Underneath the Samsung cover here, we do have a super fast charging little brick there, a block, whatever you want to call it. Looks like there might have been something down in there at one point. There's nothing in there. Or is this just a little placeholder? Looks empty, nothing in there. Probably just a placeholder. So moving on, we have just a charging the charging cable. So my question here now is, if I were to have ordered just the phone, would it have come with headphones? Or since I ordered the live buds, that it does not come with the headphones just because I got the buds? I don't know, just a little quick, I guess a little interesting that it's missing headphones in there. You know, some people might prefer both, or maybe they don't come with headphones anymore. Maybe that's just the way it is now. But let's go ahead, take a look at this guy. Got a little sticker, peels off the bottom and peels off the top. Some looks like aluminum possibly. It's definitely not glass. I don't know if it's aluminum. It feels kind of soft. So some kind of different material than what the previous phones were made of. It has a little cover. Got the 3 cameras up here, flash. I believe that's for a microphone. Right there on the top. On the side here we have volume up and down. I believe that is a power button there, or the Bixby button, whatever they call it. And then we got a little for our for like the, I'd call it a sensor, but it's not that, just for sending signals, I believe. And then we got our SIM tray. This whole side of the bezel is nothing. I do believe this is possibly a stainless, or is it aluminum? It feels, I'm not quite sure what that is. We have the charging port down here, little microphone, speaker, opening for the speaker. We have the stylus. And let's go ahead and pull that guy out, take a look at that. So here's what it looks like. Nothing, no writing like some of the previous ones had, just a regular stylus. Get that back in there. So just a quick look. Oh, we got one more protector to peel. And just like that, looks like a full, doesn't have as rounded of bezels as the previous phones, and I like that, because it seems like every time somebody were to drop a phone on the rounded over edges, that's where they always would break. Well, that's where they broke for me anyways. So overall, really cool build, definitely different. I didn't go ahead of time and check out little leaks and other types of videos, so this is my first actual look at the Note 20. Definitely pretty cool. Little built up area for the camera, so that's almost a guarantee for getting a case. So there's kind of that one downside, but then again, they're packing in all them cameras, trying to make the phones smaller and last longer and better, and I guess a little bump might not be too bad. But if you're a minimalist and you do not, that's something that I guess as a minimalist I wouldn't want to see. I'd like to see it all kind of together, because then that just absorbs and scratches, and any damage gets put on this area there. So this is just my quick unboxing, quick look, first look video of the Note 20. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks, tutorials, things like that, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.